Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad, and today we gonna see how we can create a snapshot in Virtualbox. So before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's go and start. Sometime when you are creating one virtual machine and you have installed the operating system and you have made this machine ready for your labs and everything. And during the lab, you have messed something or it's crashed or something happened and which you don't know and you don't want to install it from scratch. So it's better to take a snapshot before going into the dig into the lab, so you can bring this box back on the original position so you can start again. So it's much time saving and which I preferred and I do always before I starting my labs. So let's go and check on VirtualBox how we can take a snapshot. If I go open my VirtualBox, I have my VirtualBox here. So you can see I have three virtual machines here, and right now you can see one bracket here. Anyway, when you have installed the machine, you will see this. By the way, this one is my version is VirtualBox 6.1. So some people, if they have an older version, or maybe it's not available before 5 or something, but as of now in 5 and 6 it's available, which I'm using. So you can check your version or you can upgrade the version to latest one and you will have the options. So first is you can do snapshot when you have installed your machine. Here you can see this menu or icon here, and you can click here on this icon and then you can see the details, snapshot and logs. So here is the snapshot. When you click on a snapshot, so it will bring you here on this state. So you can just click on here and then you can take a snapshot. So I will do click and my snapshot. I will just type my fresh machine, my starting point, whatever the name you want to give, which is convenient for you. You can give the name and then you can type up Windows 7 fresh start. So I can give the name and then you can just click OK. So it will take a little time, and if your machine is very low or small machine, it's not a big size, so it will take fastly. So see, my is this machine is not very much. So if I turned on any machine, like I will, if I see right now you are in the menu which is belongs to snapshots. If you want to go back to the where the available new machines and other settings, you can just go here and do go here again on this one, and you will go into details and you come back. You will come back on the same menu of the settings, which is the details of the virtual machines, and then your new and settings and the start will come back. So if your machine is started already, and there is another way, which is if your machines is running and you want to continue, you don't want to stop your machine and you want to take the snapshot of that machine. So I'll show you how you can do it. So while your machine is up and running, let's see if this machine is little time, it will up and running. So okay, so one we saw here that it's we can go from here to the snapshot, and secondly, if your machine is up and running and in a working condition, you can come on this menu, this machine menu. If you come here, you have a button here, take a snapshot. So in this, if you click here, you can same menu from that same window will open and you can give a name and click OK. Because this virtual machine is up and running, maybe it will take a little more time than the machines is powered off. So better in the first time, if you are not before starting a lab, you can take a snapshot when machine is powered off. So it's better. So there is very less chances to crash a machine during the snapshot or something. So that's a way for taking a snapshot. And if you want to revert back the snapshot, like if I come back on here, which the last time we taken, I will click here and I will go into snapshot and I can choose my point, which is my snapshot, and I can just restore. So if I click on restore, so it will restore back on the same position. So sometime another window is opening when you have a one or two and it's asking for take another snapshot. That window you should uncheck, because if you are messed something, why you will take a snapshot for the messed machine. So uncheck that one. Be careful during the restore. Uncheck that one and you will get back your machine on a previous point. So this was the video today about the how to take a snapshot and how we can revert back. So hopefully you like my video. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.